So I grew up in the Lignite-Crosby area up in northwest North Dakota. I kind of claim both of them as my hometown because I grew up and graduated from high school in Lignite, but our family farm is over in Crosby, and that's where my parents live right now. After graduation, I decided I was going to become an electrician, which I ultimately did. Did a 2-year trade school program out of Moorhead. Then I enrolled in an apprenticeship program and did that, and ultimately became a licensed Master Electrician. During that time, I realized that I had a little bit of a hearing loss, so I decided that I wanted to maybe search out and find something else that would be an option long term. I had a friend, another electrician, who was enrolling in a program at MSUM, and we took night and weekend classes for 3 years and got our bachelor's degrees. Then about that time, I went to work for a labor union at that time, negotiating contracts and handling arbitrations and various disputes and all of that. And I really liked that work. I liked negotiating contracts, and it was something that was very interesting to me. But during that whole time, I had this desire that I wanted to go to law school. I wanted to be an attorney. I'd worked with various attorneys before in the past, and I really, was impressed with their abilities and all of that. One kind of neat story is one of our partners, Lisa Edison Smith, who's a labor and employment law attorney here, was on the other side when I was negotiating a couple times. So I got to see her in a different aspect than I do now, and that was something that helped me decide that I do want to go to law school. I decided I was going to become an attorney, and I ended up graduating in 2012, and I was fortunate enough to come back here to North Dakota and get a job. And then I was also fortunate to go to work with the Vogel law firm, and I never realized how my background as an electrician and also former labor union manager would be very handy and helpful in my law practice, but it has been.